Hey guys, Nolan here with MarineMax Rogers. We have a pre-owned 280 SLX from Searay. I'm going to do a quick video for you guys here. It does have the windlass up here at the front. Also has the stainless bow eye protector. If you end up trailering, this boat doesn't come with a trailer, but if you were to get one, it's got that. Got docking lights. You got a sprayer, onboard water system. This boat is black. Come on board here. Got the sun lounger back here. A couple poles for the flag and a cover pole there. Come on board. You do have a starboard walkthrough on this boat. Nice, comfortable, all-around seating in the cockpit here. Just coming through, in-floor storage. You have the double-wide captain's helm here. Your helm. Single captain's chair on the port side. The head down there, vacuum flush. Really great bow seating up here. You do have armrests both sides. The SLX series. One of the really great things on these is this large storage space up here on the bow. It gets way down there. You have room for tables. This one obviously has life jackets in there right now. A ton of space here. That opens all the way up. So just tons of access and space for storage there. It's got the power bimini. It's got speakers in it as well. This does come down level, so the bimini will come down level on this boat. Comes down to just above the windshield. So you can also protect under it. You know, if you get any bad weather and you got to get home, you can kind of get some protection from it there. You also have a steps on the side here. If you're getting in and out at a high dock, you can climb in and out easier. Really great boat, great price. Come out to MarineMax Rogers and check it out. See you soon.